Hello, leaders of Toastmasters International. How are you all? This is Toastmaster Mohammad Sheikh Sadi, Area Director of Area B4 from Bangladesh. Right now, we are representing Division B and Division C as well. In our country, we have above 32 clubs. In every club, we have 7 executive members. Toastmasters International every year organize 2 TLI training session for all of executive members of for every club. For that reason, already Toastmasters International organized first TLI. Right now, they are going to organize second TLI for all of our executive members. And this session is going to be occur by today. That means on 31st January 2025. And they choose the venue, that is Buet Graduates Club, House 67, Block F, Bonani, 1213. This meeting is going to start at 3 p.m. and we are going to close our meeting at 7 p.m. as well. And all of our executive members, remember a thing, when you will participate in this training session, your club will get a point. By that point, your club can be a President Distinguished Club as well. So, as a responsible executive member of your club, you should take the decision right now. You want to give the point to your club and want to make your club President Distinguished or anything else. As executive member, like President, Vice President Education, Vice President Member, Vice President PR, or Vice President or Secretary or Treasurer or Sergeant at Arms, you are going to participate in this TLI or not? Decision is yours. You want to be responsible or anything else? See you at TLI today.